Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate actions. Sign into your Apple ID on the Apple TV, power the box, and connect to Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Next, open the Settings app and check Software Update. Install any pending updates so activation goes smoothly. While the unit updates, log into your T-Mobile account on a phone or computer and have the device serial/IMEI ready. This accelerates carrier activation. Once done, return to Apple TV to begin carrier setup. Now you perform the detailed activation steps. Go to Settings, then Network or Accounts as shown, and choose Carrier or Cellular Settings. Select T-Mobile from the list. If prompted, scan the carrier QR code or enter the activation code provided by your T-Mobile account page. Input your T-Mobile credentials when requested and approve any verification requests on your phone. This links the Apple TV to your mobile plan. Make sure to accept terms and wait for the confirmation screen. Finish by testing playback and account integration. Open the TV app or an authenticated streaming app and play protected content to confirm DRM and licensing are activated. If activation stalls, restart the Apple TV and your router, then repeat the carrier provisioning steps. This clears cached network states. If you still see errors, call T-Mobile support and provide the Apple TV serial or IMEI plus the activation timestamp so they can push provisioning server-side. One key tip: enable diagnostic logs before calling. It speeds troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.